may be international court judge, but a judge who has the power to judge does not judge anybody is God. Understand? A judge who has the power to judge but never judges anybody is God. Judge who has power to judge and judges is judge. So call every accused you have in your heart, in your inner space. Conduct the court session. Acquit them with honor. When you acquit everybody and everything without judging, suddenly you will see you are cosmic judge, God. You are in the energy, in the presence of God. Please understand, when you experience and live the quality of God, you will become God. Do not worry. Whenever I give this kind of process or techniques to people, people say, no, this is all impractical. I'll do once, but tomorrow again the vengeance will come back. I have tried techniques. Please understand, do not bother. Do not think it's one more technique. The moment you think this as a technique, you will remember all your past failures about the techniques. No, I tried that, this, that, nothing worked out. How is this going to work for me? Don't worry. Even for few seconds, experience that hatredlessness. Just for few seconds, I tell you. Don't bother about tomorrow, day after tomorrow. Now sit and conduct your court and acquit all the accused with honor in your heart. Just for few seconds, experience that compassion, that ahimsa, that non-violence in your inner space. You will see what I call as inner freedom. The tremendous experience of no need for the body. Freedom from hatred is the ultimate freedom. You will realize no need for the body. If it is there, it is there. If it is not there, it's okay. You will not feel anything is taken away from you. You will not feel anything is taken away from you. You will just know there is something which cannot be taken by anybody. When you have that something which cannot be taken away by anybody, you are free being. You know what I call by the word freedom. I tell you, freedom is more dependent on the space. So create the ultimate freedom on the space, in the space in which you are established. You will experience the true and ultimate freedom. The simple process, remember? Just sit and decide. At least once you will experience a space where you don't carry even the most secret plan to take revenge on anybody. Just once. Don't plan, I will retain that space forever. Then immediately your mind will say, no. How can you forgive that fellow? How can you leave that guy? If you allow him to leave, he will kill you. It's a question of survival. Relax. I tell you, only once try. Try to experience the space where you don't carry any secret plans.